Parents, educators, do your students tend to wait until the last minute to study for final exams? Or students, do you do this as well? And actually adults, let's be real. I think most of us tend to wait until the last minute for a lot of our different deadlines before we take meaningful action. And today, 'tis the season for what? The season for us to talk about how to make a final exam anti-cram plan. And although I'm talking directly to students right now, in the work that I've done with educators, I see that this is actually a crucial skill for grown-ups to get as well. So everyone, listen up here. First of all, I want to say that study skills is very related to time management, right? On the Venn diagram of the two, we are here in the middle right now, because what good is it to know how to study, to understand how to apply the study cycle or the study senses or any of the 40 plus study tips that I provide in my anti-boring approach to powerful studying, right? What good is it to know all those things if you don't know how to actually take action ahead of time enough for that action to actually impact your learning? And so that's why time management is actually a study skill in and of itself. So right before the Thanksgiving holiday, I did a talk for a high school, and I shared with them how to make what I call an anti-cram plan. And I actually want to share my screen and show you the handout that I showed them. So here you go, y'all. What is important in an anti-cram plan? Number one, what's important is that you see the entire study context on one page, right? So I did this presentation, it was actually the week before, but I was showing, so let's pretend though that it was November 22nd right here. We want to see the day it is today when we're making the plan, and we want to see our goal. And our goal right here is freedom. And I recommended drawing an inspiring doodle or something like that. So we have everything on one page. We also have a clear schedule marked, right? In this case, it was Thanksgiving break. These are days when we may have time for studying, or we may not, because we might be with family. And so it's important to mark that. At this particular school, they have something we call dead week, or they call rep and prep week, when teachers are not going to provide anything new, but when students can study and prepare and organize. And then this is the week of final exams for this school. And this is the schedule, like finals for 1 and 2, or this is a Catholic school, so the Christian morality class would have online finals on this day, periods 3 and 4, 5 and 6, etc. And I walked all of the parents and students in the room through how to make this one-page anti-cram plan, including how to break down all of their study tasks and get it onto this plan, so that they knew kind of exactly what they needed to do each day. I walked you through here some of the tips. I've mentioned them already. Today's date and the goal date. Use an actual calendar, right? See Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Please start your first day of the week for your anti-cram plan on Monday. The reason is that it allows you to visualize what you could do on the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are connected days, right? So you can do some different studying on Saturday and Sunday than you can on Monday through Friday. And have it be something that you could print out or you hand draw, but have it be posted somewhere where you can see it and other people in your household can see it. These are just a few tips. I'm going to add one more that I forgot to put on the whiteboard. Please try not to use the words study or review on your plan when you write down your study tasks. This is going to be messy, but at least it's visual. So no study or review. That's what that says there. The reason being, those words have no meaning. What are you going to do to study? Are you going to make your flashcards? Are you going to go through your flashcards once? Are you going to create your Hone-It notes? What is the action you're going to do? Those are the actions that should be on your one-page anti-cram plan. Now, why did I say this is a useful skill, not just for students, but for grown-ups and actually anyone living in our complicated modern world? And that is because making time visible is one way for us to actually take action on our goals. And even in my program, educators who are working through my anti-boring approach coach training program sometimes struggle to meet their goals. And so to make them visual, where we can see, I want to have this module done at the end of the month. These are the days that I'm going to work through that each section of the module. To make that visible really does talk to our brain in a different way than just having a to-do list. So I wish you all luck making your own version of a one-page anti-cram plan, whether you're a student with finals before the holidays, whether you have your finals in January, or whether you are an adult with a goal that you're trying to get through to and through. I wish you luck making and following your one-page anti-cram plans. Oh, wait, I have one more thing to say. And if you want to ask me any questions about this, I almost forgot. I am now showing up live once a month, gretchenwegner.com/live, a live Zoom call. This one, the one for December 2021, I am really intending that we're going to talk about some extra tips for making your anti-cram plan and then following through with your plan as well, of course. So please come hang out with us live. Details are at that link. And as always, I will see ya next Wednesday.